natin kung bakit nga ba importante ang regular PMS ng sasakyan. But before that, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell for more videos. Ang Preventive Maintenance Schedule or PMS ay ang regular maintenance schedule ng sasakyan para mapanatiling maayos ang overall condition nito. Mapiprevent nito ang any possible damages at mapapanatiling ligtas itong gamitin on the road. For MG car owners, ang PMS interval ay every 6 months or every 10,000 kilometers, whichever comes first, kaya don't forget that. And for free ang first and second PMS sa MG. And for this video, ipapakita ko ang ilang parts na pinapalitan sa PMS procedure at bakit mahalaga itong palitan. First, kada PMS, importanteng pinapalitan ng engine oil. It is recommended na magpa-PMS lang sa mga MG Service Center para hindi ma-void ang 5-year warranty ng inyong vehicle. At ang engine oil ang pinaka-importante dahil it can be damaging to your vehicle in the long run kung hindi natin regular na mapapalitan ito. Baka mas malaki pa ang gastos natin kapag nangyari yon, so better avoid that. Ang oil kasi ang pinaka-essential component sa overall health and functionality ng vehicle, kaya it is important to pay attention here. Ang regular oil change means longer engine life and it reduces engine wear and buildup, and most importantly, better gas mileage. Yes, it can boost your fuel economy at pwede nyo mapanood ang aming fuel saving tips sa video link in the description box below. Next, oil filter. Gaya ng engine oil, ang oil filter ay pinapalitan kada PMS at isa sila sa mga pinaka-importante at critical maintenance items sa inyong vehicle. Ang purpose ng oil filter is to screen out the combustion contaminants, dirt, and carbon deposits from the engine oil that lubricates your engine's internal components. Kumbaga ito ang nagpupurify at dito naiipon ang lahat ng contaminants and dirt, at kapag hindi ito napalitan, maaaring mag-cause ng wear, tear, and damage sa inyong engine. Kaya naman guys, para tumagal ang buhay ng inyong engine at makasave ng fuel, don't miss your PMS appointment. Next, aircon or pollen filter. Kung mapapansin ninyo itong used pollen filter na marumi, ito kasi ang nagsasala or nagfi-filter ng dust, dirt, pollen, and other contaminants to prevent them from entering the inside of your vehicle. Pinapanatili nitong fresh ang hangin sa loob ng car para hindi magkaroon ng foul smell at para hindi humina ang lamig ng aircon. Sa MG, pinapalitan ito every 20,000 kilometers ng sasakyan. At kapag hindi ito mapalitan dahil na mismo ang iyong PMS appointment, the filter will become more clogged with debris na maaaring makasira sa heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system ng car. Lalo na ang compressor nito. At maapektuhan din ito ang overall performance ng vehicle. So better don't miss your PMS, guys. Don't. It's a big no-no. Next, ang air filter ay ang nagfi-filter ng dirt, debris, contaminants sa vehicle. The purpose of this filter is to keep those things from reaching your engine and ensures a sufficient supply of air into the combustion chamber of the engine. Once na masyadong marumi na ang air filter, maaaring ma-decrease ang performance ng inyong sasakyan, and worst, maaaring ma-damage ang inyong engine. And did you know guys na maaari kang makatipid ng fuel consumption kapag regular na napapalitan ang air filter? Cleaner air filter, lesser obstruction sa hangin, mas lesser friction din sa loob ng makina. So mas mabilis ang makina, mas konti ang tapak sa accelerator, and mas konti ang tapak sa accelerator, mas tipid sa gas. Naintindihan niyo naman siguro yung mga ka-MG, di ba? Next, brake pads. Kada PMS, chine-check at nililinis ang brake pads at pinapalitan or for replacement naman ito pagdating ng 4th PMS. Pero as early as 3rd PMS pa lang ay chine-check na ang thickness nito para alamin kung kailangan na ba itong palitan agad. Well, as you can see dito sa gamit na brake pad, medyo manipis na siya kumpara dito sa bagong brake pad. Brake pads are among the most crucial of the crucial components that are considered normal wear items, meaning yung mga nasisira sa pagkagamit dahil nagke-create sila ng friction that helps stop the car when they are pressed against the brake disc. Maaaring makompromise ang safety ng driver at ng passengers kapag napabayaan ito or nakaskip ka ng PMS. So guys, better don't lose your maintenance schedule if you don't want to spend more money sa pagpapaayos ng vehicle. Next, spark plugs. Sa MG, pinapalitan ng spark plugs every 40,000 km or every 2 years. Kung mapapansin nyo rito sa used spark plugs, medyo rusty na siya at ma-oil at gastado na. Kapag ganito na ang itsura, usually pinapalitan na ito sa service center. While some people don't think twice about their spark plugs, but these 4 small pieces play an incredibly important role in how your car functions. And in fact, without properly working spark plugs, your car more likely wouldn't be able to run at all. Well, obviously, it's because the spark plugs, sila yung nagsusupply ng spark that ignites the air or fuel mixture na nagke-create ng explosion para mag-produce ng power ang inyong engine. Your spark plugs, along with the electrical and timing equipment which powers them, are part of what is known as your ignition system. So kapag nakita nyo naka-on ang warning sign ng engine sa dashboard, or your car has trouble starting, or your car won't accelerate quickly, at mas madalas kang nagpapagas na, maaring sign na ito na kailangan mo ng palitan ng spark plugs. Next, fuel filter. Ang fuel filter ang nagsasala ng mga dirt at rust particles from the fuel, and it keeps them from entering the engine and causing damage. Kapag may nakapasok kasing debris sa engine, even a very tiny rust particles, it can cause unnecessary wear and tear sa engine components at sa overall system ng inyong sasakyan. Pinapalitan ang fuel filter every 40,000 kilometers or sa 4th PMS. At maaari rin maapektuhan ang gas consumption mo kapag hindi mo napalitan ang fuel filter sa tamang PMS interval. A bad or dirty fuel filter can drastically affect the flow of fuel into the engine, and poor fuel system leads to poor gas mileage. So kung ayaw mo na mapagastos pa lalo sa gas, better yet to check your fuel filter. Now that you have seen the big differences between the used and new parts of PMS procedure, hopefully ay mas naintindihan ninyo kung bakit napaka-importante ng PMS sa sasakyan at kung bakit hindi dapat ito ma-miss. Sa mga MG car owners out there, don't forget na every 10,000 kilometers or every 6 months or whichever comes first ang PMS interval. And that's it lang guys, and hopefully may natutunan kayo sa video na ito. And again, this is Grace and see you next time.